This video is a quick start guide for advertising only accounts. Let's get started by logging in to your account, and let me just walk you through some of the initial steps that you have to do before you can start submitting programs into our search engine. So let's verify your provider information first. We will enter some of this information for you, but you should go through it and make sure that everything is correct, such as the name, the description. The description you can format any way you'd like using the HTML editor that's built in. This is the information that will appear on your home page. Make sure that the address is correct. Your website, if you have any business hours to put down, this is where you would put it. Your contact email, and then Twitter account options is actually something that we have to set up separately, so it's outside of the scope of this tutorial or this quick guide. The next thing that we have to go through is enter your terms of use, and we have created a default based terms of use for you. You just have to update it or change it. Again, you can use the HTML editor to format what you need to, and it's the content field that you have to put your terms of use. You can click update to update if you made any changes, or just close out. And finally, we have to set up locations for all the programs that you will be offering. So let's create a new location. The contact info tab may contain your phone number, and also it's useful to put in a website name, and then click add. And you would do it for each location that you will be using for your programs by clicking that add new button. Now that these three steps are complete, we are ready to start submitting programs into our search engine, and I will click add new and go through some of these fields here with you. First, we have to select the program type, and depending on the program type selected, the program group fields will be populated with different choices. So I will stick with the education and training workshops. I will select the age group for our program, title, you can put in a description and use the handy little HTML editor to format it. So you can put any types of formatting options. Select the default terms of use, and in the next tab we would put in the minimum enrollment for this program, and then the maximum enrollment. So this is the available number of seats. We'll have to set the minimum age and maximum age if applicable, so I will set it to adults. You can leave these two as at no. This will always be yes, the non-registration event, and this is where your message would go for sending your users either to a website to get more information, or just a message. And I can just say call for more info. Let's specify our dates. Open registration start date, and you can always click this icon to get the pop-up calendar. So let's say that we want to start our registration on the 15th. The registration deadline will be the 30th, and we will set no cancellation deadline, and then the event start date will be on the 1st, and it will end at the end of the next month. The program will be offered on Mondays, and it will start at 11 a.m. and it will end at 1 p.m. This is where we would specify the cost of the event. If your event is theme-oriented, this is where you would specify any theme-oriented options, such as the maximum number of players, cost per player. And then here is where we select our location. And that's all there is to it. Click Add. And then we can immediately go and make sure that this event is on our search engine. So here it is, my workshop. And that's all there is to setting up your programs in our search engine.